Cardano. Some major upgrades are coming to the Cardano blockchain. In this video, we take a very detailed look at what Charles Hodgkinson and his team has in store for the blockchain. So if you are a Cardano lover or you're interested in bagging yourself some of that ADA, this video is definitely for you as we take a deep dive into some of the details of what's going on that blockchain. Let's get it, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Crypto Postman channel. What we do here is give you on a steady basis all the juice and all the news as it concerns the crypto and the entire blockchain space. So if this is a subject that interests you, go ahead and click that like button. We'll love that if you also subscribe to this channel, ring the notification bell so that you know when we post. And without further ado, let's get into the topic of today, Cardano. Now, before we go into what Cardano has been doing or has been cooking in the last couple of weeks, we want to look at a very critical index, the development activity index. Now, we know that if we want to judge the progress or the prospects of any, not token now, any project, there are several indices that we can use to assess how well the project is doing. If we want to talk about the price, we could talk about the RSI, we could talk about 200-day moving averages and things like that. But if we want to judge the core of the project, we'll look at development activity index. This shows us how well a particular project is projected to do based on the activity of the development team. Does that make any sense? Well, I hope it does. DAI, not the stable coin now, Development Activity Index, is an indicator that helps show, or simply put, how well a blockchain project is expected to do. If it shows a high value, that means that the project is expected to launch some updates in the near future. They're planning to do something really big. And if the Development Activity Index on the Cardano project, on Cardano, is anything to go by, then there's some major upgrades coming up very shortly. According to the weekly development report published by Cardano, the last one was on March the 31st, we can see that the launch of Hydra is imminent. Now, Hydra is a family of protocols that is set to be rolled out by the Cardano network to help with its scalability and interoperability issues. I wanted to say problems, but I'm choosing to say issues instead. Now, it's important to note this. Hydra is not one protocol, it's a family of protocols that will be rolled out over time. Now, in this series of protocols that will be rolled out over time, the Hydra head is the first to be launched. Now, what the Hydra head will aim to achieve essentially is that it will give developers a platform to build specialized protocols on top of the Cardano blockchain, the layer 1. So we can see the Hydra upgrade as some sort of a layer 2 scaling solution because it aims to solve the scalability problems associated with the Cardano blockchain. It is expected to increase the transaction speed and throughput of the network and reduce transaction costs. If data is anything to go by, according to reports, since the launch, there have been 119 projects launched on the blockchain and transactions have topped 65 million transactions. That's something. So, in the light of this imminent upgrade coming to the Cardano blockchain, which increases its utility, what has been the impact on the price? And we know that in the month of March, Cardano dumped a whopping 9%. But in the last week, the price has since recovered by 4%, and we're currently trading, at the time of posting, we're currently trading at about 0.384, just under 40 cents. Now we can see that since after the December low that happened at about 22nd of December last year, we have seen the prices just go straight up to about 40 cents, just a little over 40 cents before the last recline that we saw. However, the good news is we found some sort of support at the 0.3 region, basically around the 0.3 region. And so we can see that this is a very strong support actually, because it dates back all the way to November 22nd. You can see that there's a lot of bounce going on in this region. We did break down, but quickly, maybe not so quickly, went over it. And right now we found support there again. So it's important that we do not break this line. If you're looking, if you have money there, no one wants to go lower than that, because if we go lower than that, we're certainly going to go below the December low, in my opinion though. However, this area right here, sorry about that, let's just get the rectangle. This area right here has proven also to be a very strong area of resistance. I personally don't see Cardano's price, barring something phenomenal happening right now in the market, barring like a huge announcement. I don't see the price of Cardano getting past that 0.42, that 42-cent mark. I believe that the bear market is not over. I believe that Cardano is working very hard behind the scenes to make something that is of value, something that actually has utility. With the Hydra project and everything that Charles Hodgkinson and the team are rolling out, it's going to be great for the coin in the next bull cycle. This coin could easily hit about $10, maybe 20. In a crazy world, maybe 25. But right now, even despite all of the good news, I think that we may still see some new lows in 2022. But that's my update on Cardano and what's going on. And this is my prediction on what the price could be based on the current trajectory of things. What do you think? Do you think that we're going to see new lows in 2023? Or do you think that the bulls have taken over and it's from here to the moon? Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I will definitely be open to engaging with you. Remember, if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell so that you know the next time that we have an update for you. And until that time, which is very soon, I hope, I will see you in the next video very shortly. Be blessed.